Best teas for coughing. A cough is a reflex your body uses to clear your airways. Although coughing is a common trusted source when you're sick, a cough could also be caused by allergies, asthma, and acid reflux. Having a cough, especially when you're ill, can be annoying. It can also deplete your energy and disrupt sleep, leaving you even weaker. But certain steps can help soothe your airways and calm your cough. One of the best and simplest home remedies for easing a cough is to drink hot tea and other warm beverages. So, which types of teas should you try? Also, you can comment down if you had any special tea recipe for coughing. I will make sure to mention it in our next video. So let's start today's video. 1. Thyme. Some people use thyme for respiratory illnesses. The participants also didn't report any adverse side effects. In fact, one 2021 study found that thyme and IV herbal extract helped reduce both acute cough and cough severity in study participants. Thyme leaves may contain compounds called flavonoids that relax the throat muscles involved in coughing and lessen inflammation. 2. Licorice root tea. People have used licorice root in traditional medicine for various conditions, including trusted source coughs, infections, and digestive problems. According to a 2015 review, some studies have indicated that licorice may be effective at stopping the growth of several species of bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses. Also, a study in mice found that components in licorice may decrease cough frequency by 30% to 78%. The study also found that licorice compounds can act as expectorants, which may help loosen mucus. Pregnant people should avoid using licorice root. Also, consuming large quantities of licorice root might cause high blood pressure or drops in potassium levels. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used traditionally for many ailments over the years, including coughing. This supports your body's absorption of turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming turmeric with black pepper can make it more effective because piperine, the major compound in black pepper, increases the bioavailability of turmeric. Try sipping warm turmeric tea or golden milk. Add a dash of black pepper and some honey for sweetness. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time.